Hello there, my name is Tom Squallow and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, this is an emergency, Bitcoin emergency, and as we can see, it's breaking down right now. And in this video, I really want to discuss what's going on, what am I doing, and did I short Bitcoin after all? Did I flip from long to short, as I mentioned in the previous video? So if you haven't seen my previous video, I do suggest going back and watching it first before watching this one. And also want to show you a very interesting piece of on-chain data that is just giving us a great insight of what is potentially to come, both from the aspect of on-chain data as well as the technical data. So without any further ado, you really want to watch this video from the beginning till the end, and as always, smash up the like button to show me your support, because it takes a lot of effort to make these videos each single day. So leave a like, let's go for at least 2,000 likes on this video. It will be very much appreciated by me, and so that I see this appreciation from my YouTube family. And as always, if you're new to the channel, this is one of the best crypto channels out there, so hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make these uploads. And also down in the description of this video there is a link to my free Telegram channel so that you're always notified when the market is on the move. All right, without any further ado, let's just jump into this super serious Bitcoin video. Okay, so right now, once again, we're seeing this terrible breakdown of Bitcoin price, and if we go to a smaller time frame, well, actually, let me just quickly pull up this piece of data that I really wanted to show you guys, and this is the entity adjusted dormancy flow. This is the whole, this gives us a very good insight of what we can expect from Bitcoin as an asset at this given point. And based on this, I'm going to be basing my overall predictions and understanding of Bitcoin in the current situation in this whole video. So again, watch it from the beginning till the end. And so currently here, this is the whole history of Bitcoin. And we are saying that this is the entity adjusted dormancy flow. I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but it's just basically in green, it shows, heavy opportunity. It's just what they call it here. And then also heavy risk when it's red. So basically, and it comes from Glassnode. So historically, whenever we would see red, this is when the market is overheated, overbought, and etc. So this is, the type of high risk of a reversal, potential crypto win or whatever. And then as the market is cooling down, the green zone has always been heavy opportunity and has always signalized, when it comes to entity adjusted dormancy flow, has always signalized the bottom for the price, or, nearing of the bottom. And as you can see right here in 2011, right here in 2014, right here in 2018, right here in 2019, also right here a little bit of green in 2020, 2021, and this, whenever we see green, simple layman terms, we're gonna see all-time high soon. So, and here, look at this area right now. This is the longest period we've ever been in heavy green opportunity zone for entity adjusted dormancy flow in the whole history of Bitcoin. So this tells us a huge story, and this indicator, basically, if you can call this indicator, has never been wrong ever for the last 12 years, whatever. So it's absolutely epic. It has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals, and this is signal number 6, and this is the strongest signal ever. So okay, let's go back to the price right here. Certainly this is looking very, very bearish, right, that we're breaking down, and our potential target right here is this support right here, which is about $35,000 in this whole piece of price action right here. And a lot of people are saying, if we have this channel right here, then in this instance, our technical target is going to be something of this sort. So if we're just gonna mark it like this, let me turn off the auto and go to down here. So that's going to be like $23,000, whatever, once we actually break out of it and confirm the break out of it. But to be honest, do I think that this is possible with all the on-chain data, everything we've been discussing so far? I really don't think so. The worst case scenario, I think we might revisit, potentially, if this break confirms, we might revisit $35,000. And as I've predicted so many times already before, that $33,000 to $34,000 is going to be our absolute bottom. And for this reason, but again, very important to understand that this is a terrible situation in terms of the technicals, and certainly there can be some, disappointment in the market from the smallest market participants. We still have some retail traders who have been accumulating, who actually are ready to sell at a loss, unfortunately. So at this point, if we go to the 1 hour chart, And this is something that I was showing you already in the previous videos. That's what I told you, that we are about to break out of this flag formation right here, either going upward, and that would be very nice for my long trade that I had, and or, you know, breaking downward, which would be an incredible shorting opportunity. And as you can see, let me just quickly show it to you. So basically, let me remove this, where this is irrelevant. So basically, the price, it did its best, honestly. It just broke through. I mean, it tested the level so much in this area, so much volatility, and then it seemed like we are breaking through it. Look at it. It was retested, and I was looking at it. So then it went right through it with a lot of power. I still stuck through it, and then as it started moving down again, I mean, the rejection was just obvious that it was just going downward right here. So right here at break even, I've closed my long trade, and right here at this rejection, so not even here, actually super early, as Mr. Spot On, make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On. I've taken a short trade right here, which I've placed it right over on Bybit, which currently has about $6,000 in profit. So if you actually use my advice, which is again not financial advice, but what I told you in the previous video, and took this short trade and made money, so if you're in profit right now, make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On. I'm super happy that you've made some money together with me. And if you want to be trading actively over on Bybit, as I am, then I have a huge bonus for you. Down in the description of this video, there is my personalized link, which you can use to open an account. It takes like 20 seconds. And if you're from US or any other country that bans all these crypto exchanges, then you can use VPN. And also down in the description of this video, or in the pinned comment, there is a 73% discount on NordVPN, which you can use, install on your phone or computer, and access really any crypto platform. And in this instance, if you use my link for Bybit, then you'll get, on top of your initial deposit, $4,100 in free bonuses. And also, with my link exclusively, there will be 0% maker trading fees. So this is absolutely incredible, zero trading fees for the maker trading fees. So use that, that's an incredible advantage. And also a discount, a huge discount on, 30% discount on commissions in general and withdrawal fees. So enjoy those incredible bonuses. And as of right now, of course, this is a really nice trade. So previous one was closed with a zero. So at some point I had $5,000 in profit, but nonetheless, so a free trade. And this one is already in $6,000 profit. And what are my targets right now? So the idea is very simple. This trade, for me, it's not like a trade. It's more of a hedge against potential drop in Bitcoin. So it's like basically it's a $200,000 trade. So I'm hedging like about 30%, a little bit less than 30% of my entire crypto portfolio in case everything goes down. So in my target right now, certainly if you are looking at technicals, then if you have taken this kind of a trade already, then this is our technical target right here for the short-term perspective. Let me just move it around a little bit. So for our short-term perspective, this is going to be right here, our technical target for this trade, which would be about 38,260. And we actually came down to already 38.5. So this, you could already be taking at least partial profits on it. If you just want to have this short-term scalp trade and make some money on it, that's absolutely fine. And remember, if you want to do this professionally and learn how to flip from bullish to bearish quickly and be a professional trader who actually makes money in the market and doesn't feed the market all the time, then go to offer.tomswallow.com. There are just a few seats left at a 50% discount at my certified and accredited trading learning program. So use this. It's going to save you thousands of dollars as well as years of your time looking for that right trading strategy. And that's a 5 months long learning program where I explain everything from A to Z, literally. And there is currently 50% Easter discount on it. So there's also a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So use this 50% discount. So right now, for me, if you want to take your profits somewhere in this area, that's absolutely fine, or at least partial profits. But however, as for me, this is because I'm not really that very much of an active trader anymore. So for me, it's just a hedge against a potential drop. So I would be considering to scale out at maybe around $35,000 in this area, 35. Yeah, so this would be my target, right? So if it reverses real quick, again, I will actually again flip bullish. So again, close the trade with, for example, zero loss or whatever, a small loss, if that's going to be necessary. And then if we're going to see a huge bounce, and the reason I'm telling you this, and that's why I'm telling you always watch my videos from the beginning till the end. I showed you this piece of on-chain data. See, and these numbers simply don't lie, right? So in this instance, and all the big whales are still buying in right now, and I showed you this before, that whales are all accumulating again, and everything is not looking really that bad as this small breakdown. So what I'm thinking, and this is the most important part of this video, is that this could be a simple short squeeze. So certainly I've taken a short trade on it just to protect myself and my portfolio, But I think it could turn out to be, and I'm emphasizing, it could turn out to be a short squeeze, and we could see a quick bounce back above, or perhaps, jog along a little bit and then create a double bottom, whatever, and then actually go back up. This could be a very likely scenario, just like we had in this instance or in one of these instances. Very, very possible. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make some noise down in the comments, and also don't forget to like the video. As always, stay smart, stay rich, become one of my students at my certified and accredited trading learning programs. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye.